Why don't we launch rockets from on top of mountains? It seems like a no-brainer. Not only is the rocket starting closer to space, but the atmosphere is thinner, so we don't have as much air resistance to fight, and we can use a more vacuum-optimized nozzle to increase performance. Well, it really all comes down to practicality. Driving a giant rocket up a treacherous mountain road only to try and launch a rocket in often horrendous weather conditions, all for a few percent gains in payload capacity, just isn't a worthy trade-off. Not to mention, at least in the United States, it's a no-no to overfly populated areas. So launching from, say, Pikes Peak in Colorado would risk overflying a relatively dangerous rocket over major metropolitan areas. It's generally considered much easier to just make your rocket a tiny bit bigger or add some cheap and effective solid rocket boosters if more performance is necessary. But most importantly, launching from a high altitude is trivial compared to the ludicrous amounts of velocity needed for a rocket to reach orbit. For a deep dive on why we don't just launch rockets from on top of mountains or from the equator, watch my